si Vice President Sara Duterte imbestigahan. Lahat ng gumagamit ng confidential funds, kung may iimbestigahan lahat.
Pero
Hindi pa pwedeng isa
ang
lang.
tanong is about Sara Duterte. Yung paggastos niya ng confidential funds, sinabi niya hindi siya magpapaliwanag sa Kongreso. Tama ba yun?
Tama, sapagkat binibigyan siya ng COA until January or February of this year to comply with documentation. Yung notice of disallowance, Karen, ito yung malaking kasinungalingan. Ang notice of disallowance ay hindi kasong kriminal. Hindi yun finding of guilt. Yun ay para remedyohan mo yung mga kulang na dokumentong pinapasumiti sa'yo. At binibigyan pa siya ng January or February of this year. Therefore, the investigation conducted by the House of Representatives, if at all, premature. Huwag mong pangunahan ng COA. Constitutional duty ng COA yan. Article 9, Paragraph D, Section 3.
So, attorney, naniniwala